So last week the market had a lot of volatility in it, right? So as you see how I really profited a lot from GBP USD, a lot of Forex traders caught more move from that volatility. From last week video, I got a lot of demand for gold. I'm just gonna mix that up with NAS100 as well as US30. Load it up. Wow, go on. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. It's the first time over here. What we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up in pieces, so each and everyone can understand. Y'all know how we do it on Sunday, guys. Chart Markup. Yo, last week Sunday was a real banger. A lot of the charts played out. A lot of people DM me, alright, tell me thanks, and I hope you guys caught some tips. And all I'm doing here is to help you guys the best I can. So traders and tradeths, what we're going to do, we're going to look at some indices, yeah, and to see how we can profit from these moves that the market is giving us with all of this volatility. But before I dive into it, quick disclaimer. Alright, US30. Alright, it's clear that price is in an uptrend, right? It's just clear as day. So we're on the daily time frame, right? Look at the week movements, yeah? In uptrend for all the week, right? Came all the way down here. It's about in October, and now it's starting to go back in that uptrend. So follow me now. What we can do is something like this. We can mark off some levels, yeah? Let's mark off some levels. Hold on, let me sip my hot chocolate tea. Dreycosting mug, link in the description. They're really nice. Really nice. Watch me now. The fact that you have this aggressive move for the week with this strong bullish push for the week, yeah, you have to be extremely cautious when approaching the market. So I spoke about this in the GU video that we did on Friday. Yeah, you guys can go and check out that video that I did on Friday. Yeah, what you're going to notice is that we're at a strong level right here where there's a lot of rejection. So let's look at these rejections, yeah? Rejection, yeah? Rejection, yeah? A lot of rejection. You see all of these, this level right here with all of this rejection? So you have to expect the same right here, yeah? Because price tends to mirror what has been done in the past. So what we can do to start the week, yeah, is something like this. We can go down to our H4, yeah, H1, all right. What we can look for to start the week is some form of retracement, yeah. So we can do something like this, back to here, and then continue up because price is in an uptrend, yeah. Price is in an uptrend. But you can also play the retracement coming down. You follow me? So the level that's a safe level to retrace to, I would say about here. 32,431. Yeah. I will sell to that level. So I would just look for continuous buys. I would sell to that level right there. And then now when price comes to that level, I would want to see how it's reacting, or somewhere at this level right here, 32,188. But my take profit is going to be before 32,431 when I'm selling on the retracement. So I want to see how price reacting here, if it's just going to burst through, or there's going to be some form of weak rejection showing here now as support. Because here was previous resistance, So we want price to shift, retest, creating a higher low, now respecting it as support, confirming the basic of trading for uptrend to continue up. You follow me? So that's what I'm looking at for US30 for those who like to trade US30. Yeah. And remember that it's very important that you trade the index in the time that it's supposed to be traded. Like for argument's sake, that I like to trade GU. I trade it in the London session because it's pound dollar. So the pound is related to London, while the US, which is the USD, is related to New York. So it can be traded in both those sessions. But for US30, you really want to trade it in the New York session. All right. NAS. Yo, I really love NAS, right? I really love NAS. Other than Forex, if I'm supposed to dive in these indices, if I'm supposed to pick between US30 and NAS, I'm pro NAS. US30 is cool too, don't get me wrong. Yeah, but others love NAS. I'm pro NAS, yeah. So let me draw some levels for you guys. All right, this level again is a respected level. See that? Price always tend to react around this level right here at 11613.5. So the same thing that you're seeing on US30, you want to have that same approach to NAS100. Price is going up, right? So what you want to do is something like this. Yeah. Being that here is a clustered area, unlike US30 where you can, I was suggesting to play the retracement, I would not do that for NAS. What I would do is that I'd wait for a price to come back, make a retracement about here. Yeah. Let me draw this properly. Can have a retracement to this level right here at 11305.5, thereabout, right? Remember that these levels are estimates. Yeah. So a retracement here and then to continue up. So I'd look for some form of respect right here of the support level right here. See what price is doing. Once I'm seeing that price is respecting that level, then I'm taking my buy going all the way up here to about 12114.2. Yeah. So you have to be patient. Once again, you have to be patient. As I showed you guys in the GU video, where I only took 4 trades for the week, 4 solid trades, and it makes sense that you be disciplined, be patient, not trying to trade all over the place, and just to be disciplined and take quality trades over quantity. That's what I believe in. All right. So, bam. All right. So this is what we're looking at for NAS. All right. So you just have to be patient, discipline. I can't exercise that anymore. Right. So don't just jump up with the seat, like make a little push off. No, right? Wait on the retracement. This was a every move right here. You can't just jump on it like that, right? You have to be disciplined. You have to be patient, right? All right, gold, right? Fresh chart for you guys. Let's see how gold is going, right? Let's take it from the daily. All right. So from the daily level, right? From the daily level, we're seeing where price was really in a downtrend. All right. So you're seeing that price was in a downtrend. But now price is trying to come out of this downtrend right here, right? But it's rejecting at this era. So let's put, normally I'll do something like this, because you have to remember that support and resistance is an era. It's not a line per se. But the reason why I put the line, right, is because it really helps for you guys to see like the figures, right? To know the era that I'm speaking about, so you can match it on the chart. So remember, support and resistance is an era, right? It's an era. It's not a line. It's an era, something like this, right? It's not a line. But I just put the line to help you guys to identify the area. Alright, so seeing a lot of resistance here. So let's be patient now. Follow me now. What I would do is something like this. Was in a downtrend, right? I would be extremely patient on gold, like extremely patient, right? So I would do something like this. This level right here, right? If price breaks beneath this, let me get it up on the H4. So I have the two levels now, right? If price breaks beneath 16.21.487, then I'm selling, right? Let's go up to the weekly time frame. I'm selling all the way to about here, right? Let's bring it across to about there. I'm selling all the way to there, and I'm looking at a good amount, 6,833, right? I'm looking at a good amount. So if price breaks here, I'm selling all the way in this region for the week. You follow me? But to be safe, listen to me now, to be safe, 1670.127, 1621.487 here would be a no-no for me, right? There's a bit of confusion going on in that area, and it's too clustered for my brain. You follow me? I'm not trading in here, right? All I'm doing, being patient, sitting on my hands. So probably the setup comes there about Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't care. It could even come Monday. I'm going to be patient. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait on a shift, retest, creating a higher low, confirming the basic of trading for uptrend, and then I'm just going to continue up. And here I would have all of this free space to run to. You follow me? All of this free space to run to up here. You understand? So you have to be patient. On the flip side, because it's really shaky right here, I'm going to bring it back to the daily and show you guys. On the flip side, if I get something like this, right? Shift, retest low high, confirming the basic of trading for a downtrend, then I'm continuing to this level. Yeah, so you have to be patient. So if you see on the daily right here, the reason why I'm going with this option in being patient and just reacting to price, not predicting price, is because though we are having a higher maintenance level right here, we're showing that price has created a higher low right here, and that says somewhat that you should go for option. We can't just do that because we still have to remember that we're having a lot of rejection at this level, right? So you don't want to just jump in and then bomb price it off of that and then come stop you, something like that. So you follow me? We have a lot of rejection of this level, so you want to clear that before you go up there. Or if you want to continue down, all the way for it to come and retest this level right here, because you can't just jump up and say that, oh, you want to continue sell because it's in a downtrend. Not really, right? Notice that it did not create a lower low. You follow me? It failed to create a lower low. This is a double bottom, right? So it failed to create that lower low, right? And at the same time, it's creating double tops. You follow me? So you can't just jump into the trade like that. You have to be more patient, right? And I gave you guys the level that I will be patient with. Yeah, and these are the levels that I'm going to be patient with. 1670, 127, and 1621, 487. So you guys could jot that down, yeah, and be disciplined, right? If you have their pay trading view or something like that, you could set your alarms and all of that and just be disciplined and wait on it. All right, straight balling, no stalling. Thank you guys for watching, and if there's any chart that you'd like to see me mark up, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go on, big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of the day. I'm out.